how to place a large Shake Shack order on website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, large Shake Shack orders means catering order in the website. I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser and go to shakeshack.com. You will see the catering option right beside menu at the top. Just tap on it. And then for events with less than 15 attendees, you can visit your six large orders menu. And for larger occasions, you can use the form below to submit a catering request. So you can open up the large order menu if you want to. And then you can just go view the menu. Or for catering, you need to scroll down and then fill in this information like your first name, last name, your email ID, phone number, date of order, time of order, the location of event, preferred check, and then how would you like to receive your order. You have to fill in what kind of event it is, the number of guests, and you can tell them about the order and then put in what you want to order and accept the terms and conditions and hit submit. And then your catering for large Shake Shack will be ready. After you have done this all, they will call you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.